Yeah, Victoria's like I will understand your concern. So like you may like I hope everybody knew here, okay, for the scripting, right? Ijaya, Lata, Mamata.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Actually,
like
you're writing all these comments and this syntax one by one, right? So like we are getting confused maybe. So you can tell the
if I'm making something in
But,
double
but,
slash,
but I need everyone to talk. You cannot pretend that you understand. So it will look like Victoria is the only one that doesn't understand anything in this class. So why is everyone keeping quiet? It's so
no.
frustrating. And that is why when we're doing administration class, I stopped asking questions because it feels
yeah,
like I'm
yeah,
the only one in the class that don't understand anything. So
yeah,
I don't know if you don't understand, why are you here? Why are you not asking questions?
yeah,
It's frustrating. I have to stop asking questions. Why are you pretending to understand when you don't understand? Let's talk. Let's ask questions so we can learn from each other.
No,
yeah,
Victoria, actually, sir is telling the syntax and the commenting side by side. Actually, the syntax, if sir tell in a notepad like that, you'll understand well, I think, because these all are for our understanding, this commenting all.
yeah, Victoria. So
Main syntax
basically,
is, yeah.
if you want to understand ServiceNow scripting, okay, so these are the basic things. Not it's not only for ServiceNow scripting, okay, for any type of scripting, these are few basic things, okay. So if it is a Java programming, it is a .NET, it is a ServiceNow scripting, like any scripting, these are the basic things we have to learn. Okay. So then only we will understand the ServiceNow scripting. Got it, Victoria?
Hi, Anji. Yeah,
Uh,
hi, Anji. Can I mention one thing for Victoria
yeah, yeah,
understanding?
definitely, definitely. So this window
Yeah,
for
Victoria is asked about why we are using single line and multi-line comments, right? Wherever we are using single line comment or multi-line comments, those are not run.
yeah,
If we
those
are
are not.
not use if in our work purpose, if we require those comments in future purpose, but we don't want to use in our script, just we need to mention the comment it, like this way. If it is a single line, we need to mention double slash. If it is a multiple line, we can use with the slash and star. We can end with star and slash. These are the uses for the single line and multi-line comments in scripting.
We just understand the coding.
Yeah.
Yeah, Victoria. So basically, in maybe future, so for example, you have written some 10 lines of code. Okay. So after that, you decided not to execute that code. Okay. If we just, instead of removing that code, so if you comment that code, it will not execute. Okay. And so, for example, and another example, you have written some 10 lines of code. Okay. So maybe at the top of the 10 lines of code, you may write some text, some context. So what this code is used for. Okay. That may be written in the comments. Okay. Then it will not execute. Got it, Victoria?
If you want to execute that code, just you need to remove that lines.
Yeah,
That's all.
lines. Yeah, then it will execute. So you can say, for example, for this alert, when I want to execute, so I'm just removing the double slash, that single line comment. It is executing. If I when I kept this double slash, it is not executing because while running the code, it is ignoring this commented line. Okay.
Thank you so much. Uta, I appreciate. Thank you.
Yeah, Tammy. So are you able to understand? Are you Tammy?
So I'm here. Actually, I did not join the class early. I did not know how you started. I think I missed about 20 minutes. So
Oh,
that's why I'm not asking any question. I need to go over the video to actually figure out what exactly you're trying to explain. So if I
yeah.
just ask question, I did not know how you get to this point because I missed 20 minutes already. So
Oh,
once I go over the video, if I have any question, I
yeah.
will reach out to you.
Okay, okay, Tam. Yeah, that's better. And so I think Aziz not join the class. If it's possible, you can ask Aziz to join the class. Okay.
Yeah, I sent her a message. She has
Oh,
not responded yet.
okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, anybody, Lakshmi, Sai, Jaya, Lata, Mamata, Santi, Shati, Satya, Saujanya, Srinivas, Sureka, any queries? Your understanding is very important here, okay? Like course completion is not important, okay? It may take more extra 10 days or 15 days. That is okay, okay? No issues about that, okay? You have to understand. That is the important. Like you can go very slow, as much as slow, if you're not able to understand, okay? I'm ready to explain the code line by line.
Please, thank you. Because I think the way my brain works, I think I'm more like a practical person than like a theoretical person. I understand when something is being practical, like something I can relate to. That's how my brain works. And when I get it, I get it.
Yes,
So, but if I don't get it, I get frustrated.
yeah. And so whatever the coding we are writing in today class, okay, we will not write the exact code in our ServiceNow scripting, okay? So if you want to understand the ServiceNow scripting, you need to know these basics, okay? That's what I'm explaining this JavaScript basics. This is not part of ServiceNow actually, okay? But if you want to understand some scripting, whether it is ServiceNow scripting or any scripting, you have to know all these things, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Next, this is the if-else condition state, if-else condition syntax, okay? So I'm just making if, else. So,
Anji, one thing. Sorry for the interruption here.
okay.
Here you are using alert, right? If you are doing everything in, we can't display everything in the alert, right? Can you use console.log?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we can display in the inspect. So every condition will apply. Every condition will display in the console log, right? So
yeah.
everyone can understand with the how it is going.
Okay, like you mean, so I have to write everything in console or like whatever the statements I'm keeping in alert, that I have to move to the console, right? You mean?
Yeah, you need to move to the if whatever you're writing in the console log, just alert. Just you move to
Okay,
console.log, and
yeah.
whatever you commented the like a code right, that one you can uncommented that, so everyone will understand it is a run how it is executing.
Okay. For example, you can say this example. So for example, a double equal to 5. Okay. So here I'm saying console. Yeah, maybe if I use console log again, our guys are going to confuse, I feel, because we have to open inspect console, right? If alert is if we use alert, that is a straightforward. So for example, here I'm using console.log. So in double quotes, I'm writing a value is 5. For example, I'm saying like this. If it is not 5, I'm just verifying like this. A value is not 5. Okay. So if we execute this code, either of the statement will be executed. Whether if it is a true, this statement will be executed. If it is a false, this statement will be executed. I'm just saying. Then come and refresh here. Just refreshing. So you can right click on your browser. So somewhere you will found inspect. Yes, I'm just clicking on inspect. Okay. You can click on console. You can see it is showing a value is 5. Okay. Instead of alert, I just written console.log. Don't confuse. Okay. Both are same. So if it is alert, it will show at the top. If it is a console, it will show within this console. Okay. So for example, a double equal to 15. I'm saying a double equal to 50. You can come and see. Now this, if we refresh this page, it will execute a value is not 5. Now this time it is executed a false statement. Okay. Any queries here? Let me know. Yeah, do I want to keep other than this anything I want to keep on console log for our understanding purpose? Is it Jaya or Mamata?
I think this one is more relatable. Maybe when some of us that don't understand now understand, we can go to the other one. But this one is okay. That's my opinion, though. You can ask
Yeah,
the
yeah,
other person.
yeah. Then I will go with console.log only instead of alert. Okay. Next, this is like a if else statement. Okay. So next. Yeah, then I don't require to comment because so it will not throw any windows, right? So if we are refreshing, it may execute in the background. Wait. So for all other statements also, I will just move to the console. Okay, then like if we are refreshing this file, you may understand what it is executing in the background. Okay, so here we have alert. I'm just replacing alert with console.log every time. So you can use anything. Okay, for it's just for displaying the message only. So for example, I'm just removing everything commented code for example. Okay. I may remove this commented code as well. So I may remove this commented code as well. Now you can see. Our code should be like this. Now our code should be like this, you can see. So this is the code we have written. Okay. This is the code we have written. There is no alert statement in this now. So you can say I'm just refreshing the browser window. Refreshing the browser window. You can see how many statements it is executed. String. str value is welcome. String. Number. String. A value is not 5. Okay, these many things executed. So I will explain you like it is printed everything, right? So I will explain one by one. So first console type of str. You can see it is in double quotes. That means it is a string. Okay, it is in double quotes and it is showing string. Next, str value is welcome. So if you see the second statement here, str value is welcome. Okay, and third one, I will go to the third console. Type of D. It is the string data type because it is in double quotes. Okay, it's a string data type. That's what it is showing as a string. Okay. Next log statement. I just converting this string to integer. Again, I'm checking the type of this. Wait. Type of D, right? Actually, type of D variable. Again, I'm checking type of D variable. Okay, you can come and refresh. You can see it is showing as a number data type again. Okay. So after this console, again I'm verifying the B value here. Okay. Okay. Earlier we have verified, right? So type of B value. So here you can say we have converted integer to string, number data type to string data type. That's what it is showing string here. Okay. And final statement is A value is 5. Okay. A value is not 5. This is not executing. This console log is not executing because here there is no else condition. Okay. And it is returning false and it is coming out of from this if block. It is coming out from this if block. Okay. Got it? A value is not 5. This is the statement executing. This is not executing. Because A value is 5, 5 triple equal 15 is wrong. False statement. It is not executing this block. And it is coming to else block and it is executing. Any queries here? Any queries? Tell me. If you have any queries, let me know.
Yeah. Can you explain the last part where you said else, the else part that
Yeah.
about the where that can you explain that part?
From
Please?
this if else block, it is executing false statement, else statement only. Okay. This statement is not executed. This statement, 32 line statement is not executed because of a value is 5. 5 triple equal to 15. False. This condition is returning false. Okay. That's what it is went to the else block. Got it?
Anjay, I guess like a 27 line number code is also not executed because you are
Yeah. This is
displaying the
also not
else string.
executed. I already explained, right?
Yes.
This 28th line also not executed because 5 triple equal to 5 A is a number data type. Here you can see A is a number data type. Okay. Number data type 5 triple equal to number data type 5 triple equal to string 5. Here value is matching, but data type is not matching. Value is matching, but data type is not matching. So it is returning the false statement. It is throwing false here. That's what this block is not executed. This statement is not executed here. Okay. Any queries here?
Okay. These double and the triple equals. What does it? Does it change anything?
Yeah, I have written that. Wait, I may control Z. So here you can see. Right. So you can see. If it is a single equal assignment operator, it will, for example, here I declared as A equal to 5. I declared as A equal to 5. Okay. Sorry, wait. So here I just declared a value. Here I am assigning value 5 to A. Okay, here I declared a variable A. Here I am assigning value 5 to A by using single equal operator. That is assignment operator, you can say. So if we come to the double equal to, it will just check for a condition. If both sides, if it is a double equal, this value and this value both are same or not, it will check just. If it is a triple equal to, it will check value and data type both. Got it, Victoria?
Value to verify the both side value and data type are same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next. Can I stop class here? I will explain looping statements and functions tomorrow. Okay. Is that fine for you? Or can I go ahead? I failed with comments only easy to check and understand. I failed with commenting only easy to check and understand. This why the father please use this method. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, Mamta. Definitely I will use this method. Okay. Yeah, tell me guys. So can I go ahead or stop the class here? Your understanding is most important for me. Not completing the more subject, okay? It may take time. So I will take extra classes and I will complete it, no issues. If everybody is silent, then I may go with another concept, okay?
It's
Next.
better to stop, Anji.
Okay.
As of new topic, we can able to understand it.
Yeah. So like we have next 20 minutes, right? So please ask all your queries again and again until you are understanding. Okay. So in tomorrow class, I will explain you the looping statements and functions. Okay. Oh, still we have arrays, Jason.
Hello.
Yes, Shanti. Tell me, Shanti.
Which software we need to install for
Nothing.
running the?
So yeah, Notepad plus. It's just a editor. Notepad plus plus. Any version is fine. Okay, any version is fine. It's just practice. So this Notepad plus plus is required for us. It's just for practicing JavaScript. Okay. So once again we move to the Servicenow scripting, we will not use this Notepad plus plus. So here I am using Notepad plus plus. So if you found any editor, text editor, any text editors better than this, you can go ahead with that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me, team. So, yeah, yes, Shanti, is your query is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, okay. Next. Saujanya, any queries? Satya, Satish, Sureka, no? Aziz, you have any queries? You may ask. You have any queries? Usha. Hmm. Yeah, team. So I may not call everybody names here, okay? You don't think I'm not calling your name, okay? So randomly I'm picking the names, okay? So whoever mostly asking the doubts, definitely I will ask them, okay? Yes, Saujanya, tell me, Saujanya. Yeah, it's okay. Then you can practice at your home this scripting. Tomorrow we'll discuss about looping statements, functions if you have time, JSON and array. Okay. Thank you so much, Steve. I'm just stopping the recording. I have to take attendance. I think you already left.